Hi everybody, this is Terry and we're here today for the challenge drawing for LineDotArrow for the month of September, and that is our Books, Bugs, and Botanicals series. Now this is the one for Sweet Pea Papers if I didn't say so before, and let's go ahead and go over to the good stuff. This is our random number generator. We had 128 entries this month. Obviously, this was from another drawing. And then here's our database, so we can write everything down. And the first place prize is 3 junk journal kits by Natalie at LineDotArrow. The second place prize is 2 junk journal kits by Natalie at LineDotArrow. And the third place prize is 1 junk journal kit by Natalie. Now, you don't know how many times I get that wrong. So I'm very glad that I got it correct. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the drawing. Try to keep it short and sweet this video. Right. Okay, here we go. 126. I'm go all the way down. Whoopsie. All the way down here. Mariska, you've won. I'm not going to try to say your last name. Won third place, which is 1 junk journal kit from LineDotArrow. Second place is number 3. Wow, going from one end to the other. I set my mouse to super quiet, fast scroll, so. And this is Beatrice. Beatrice. Futterwalt. Okay, I'm just going to start over. This is Beatrice. You're the winner of the second place prize. I hope you get a good hoot out of me mispronouncing your name, because I'm very sorry, but I'm sure you'll find it very funny. Nothing you haven't heard before, because that's not an L, that's an I. I just couldn't see on my screen. And what's so funny is my screen is 28-inch screen. So the first place prize goes to number 56. Wow, end in middle. 56 is Dorothy Kelty. Okay, Dorothy, you got first place. And that's going to be 3 junk journal kits by LineDotArrow. Okay, now next month, I'm not sure what the kit's going to be. It's going to be a Halloween kit, I believe, or a fall kit. And I think Halloween, because I think Natalie said she was going to put Halloweeny in the kit name. And then she found out that I do the annual Teeny Weeny Halloweeny journal every October. So she decided to change the name. Be sure to watch this month's monthly update video. It came out today as well, and you'll find out all kinds of really cool and spooky things about October, and I think you'll enjoy it, and it's all the treats with no tricks. So there you go. Okay, well that's it for this video, and be sure to go over and check the junk journal tutorials and more drawing for the drawing for that Facebook group, because you might have won in both. And also next month the junk journal and paper crafts is going to be included as well, so when you enter your pictures, make sure you enter them in all 3. Okay, well have a great month, and I will see you in the end of October. Bye bye.